Understanding portion control, a key to healthy eating. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to talk about a very important and useful phrase in English, portion control. This phrase is commonly used in the context of eating habits and nutrition. So, let's dive in and understand what portion control really means and why it's so important. Portion control refers to the practice of regulating the amount of food you eat. It's about understanding how much food is enough for a healthy diet without overeating. This concept is crucial in maintaining a balanced diet and preventing overconsumption, which can lead to health issues like obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. In simple terms, portion control means eating the right amount of food for your body's needs. Portion control is important for several reasons. Firstly, it helps in maintaining a healthy weight. By controlling portions, you can avoid consuming more calories than your body needs. Secondly, it's about nutritional balance, ensuring you get the right mix of proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Lastly, it's essential for overall health and well-being. Proper portion control can help you feel better, have more energy, and avoid the negative health effects of overeating. 1. Use smaller plates. Eating from smaller plates can trick your mind into feeling satisfied with less food. 2. Read food labels. Understanding nutritional information can help you determine appropriate serving sizes. 3. Listen to your body. Pay attention to hunger and fullness cues. Stop eating when you feel comfortably full, not stuffed. 4. Avoid eating from the package. Serve yourself a portion on a plate or bowl instead of eating directly from the package. 5. Be mindful. Eat slowly and savor your food. This helps in recognizing when you're full. 1. It's only for weight loss. While portion control is a key factor in weight loss, it's also about eating healthily. 2. You have to measure everything. While measuring can be helpful, it's not always necessary. Being mindful of your hunger and fullness is often enough. 3. It means eating less of everything. It's more about eating appropriate amounts, not necessarily less. For some, it might mean eating more of certain nutrients. I hope this video has helped you understand the importance and basics of portion control. Remember, it's not just about eating less, it's about eating right. Implementing these practices can lead to a healthier lifestyle and improved well-being. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English learning video.